Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can use Stremio on Windows. First, let's open Stremio. There is a condition to this free hosting service. A lot of shows or movies are not free. If you click on a movie, you might see no streams found because it's currently available to paid services like HBO Go, Apple TV, or Google Play Movies. Clicking on this will take you to the respective pages where you need a subscription. However, there are certain movies and TV shows you can watch for free. To watch, find a movie that doesn't have a subscription or streaming label. If it says 1080p or it doesn't indicate a subscription, you can click on it and enjoy watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.